Java has 43 predefined functional interfaces. They all belong to java.util.function API. They are categorized into four. They are suppliers, consumers, predicates, and functions. In this video, we will see code sample for functions. So inside this main method, we declare a variable of type function. A function has a method, one abstract method, apply, and functions they take one or more value and they convert them into another value. Okay, so here we will let us declare this variable change change it. Okay, change it is the variable name which is of type function. We need to import this function, so let us do that. So now we will assign a lambda expression to this variable. So we assign this way string yes, or you can say simply yes, that is also fine. Okay, and lambda operator. Now what we do is we will convert this string into uppercase. Okay, that will be returned x dot to uppercase. Okay, now we can declare a variable string yes and call this method. We can call using this variable change it dot apply, and we will pass a string to this method. Finally we will print the content of this. So at line number 12 we have this, we assign the lambda expression to this variable change it. So what happens here, when it is executed, a class which implements the function interface and implements the apply method using the lambda body. Okay, then object of the class is created, that object instance is assigned to this variable change it. So now we can call this variable, using this variable we can call the apply method. Okay, so now let us run this code and see the output. So we will see these functional interfaces, predefined functional interfaces, they are used when we see stream API. We can find these functional interfaces are used very well inside the in the stream operations. Okay, so now we got the output, which is the variable, the value ram, the string value is converted into uppercase. Okay,